Family size cooking space. Are you still worried about the lack of oven capacity? This air fryer oven have spacious 20-quart unit allows you to make plenty of food, so you can make enough food for the whole family, all in one machine. This air fryer toaster oven is not only an air fryer but also a rotisserie, dehydrator, pizza grill and oven toaster with wide temperature range from 180 to 400. This large air fryer allows you to air fry, bake, grill, roast, toast, dehydrate and rotisserie. Less oil ampersand delicious. The Iconites Plus air fryer's oven circulates super hot air around your food instead of oil to cook, penetrates the inside of food, cooks evenly and locks in moisture. 1800 watts power make your food more crispy and delicious. Easy to use. 10 preset options make any kitchen task easy, from frying and roasting to dehydrating and baking. LED digital touch screen is clearly visible and you can choose any cooking mode. Meals are done with just the press of a button. Rich accessories. Comes with 13 accessories include a skewer, rotisserie, fry net basket, roasting basket, drip tray, fetch rack, chicken fork, 5 PCS dehydrating racks, 2 PCS oven mitts, removable drip tray and dishwasher safe. Parts make cleaning a breeze.
If you are new to this channel, welcome to the Top 5. We will investigate the best innovative devices and help you purchase the right choice according to specific prerequisites. The connection of each item quoted in this video will appear in the following description. Please click the subscribe button to open the small bell capture.
Family size cooking space. Are you still worried about the lack of oven capacity? This air fryer oven have spacious 20-quart unit allows you to make plenty of food, so you can make enough food for the whole family, all in one machine. This air fryer toaster oven is not only an air fryer but also a rotisserie, dehydrator, pizza grill and oven toaster with wide temperature range from 180 to 400. This large air fryer allows you to air fry, bake, grill, roast, toast, dehydrate and rotisserie. Less oil ampersand delicious. The Iconites Plus air fryer's oven circulates super hot air around your food instead of oil to cook, penetrates the inside of food, cooks evenly and locks in moisture. 1800 watts power make your food more crispy and delicious. Easy to use. 10 preset options make any kitchen task easy, from frying and roasting to dehydrating and baking. LED digital touch screen is clearly visible and you can choose any cooking mode. Meals are done with just the press of a button. Rich accessories. Comes with 13 accessories include a skewer, rotisserie, fry net basket, roasting basket, drip tray, fetch rack, chicken fork, 5 PCS dehydrating racks, 2 PCS oven mitts, removable drip tray and dishwasher safe. Parts make cleaning a breeze. Now enjoy guilt-free food. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Tested against hand-cut deep-fried French fries. Wide temperature range, 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate fit 2 pounds of French fries. Cord length feet 2.6. The unit will need time to preheat before coming up to temperature. We recommend that you preheat the unit for 3 minutes before adding your ingredients to achieve the best results. Dehydrate. Create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for fun. Homemade snacks pounds. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. Dishwasher safe. Parts. Easy to clean basket, crisper plate, and multi-layer rack.
Reheat or dehydrate foods, making it your new go-to appliance for any meal or snack. With a Ninja air fryer on your countertop, you can pull crispy meals out of thin air.
Enjoy your favorite food without the extra calories. This air fryer allows you to fry, bake, grill, and roast with little to no oil. Make crispy fried chicken, steak, French fries, pizza, and much more in one countertop appliance. Sleek and modern look with advanced touch screen menu. Take the guesswork out of cooking with a built-in touch screen menu featuring 8 cooking presets: fries, chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza. Equipped with a wide temperature range from 180 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit in 10-degree increments and a cooking timer up to 30 minutes, featuring a new start/stop button to change time and temperature in the middle of a cook cycle. Don't forget to shake with the new built-in alarm function that reminds you to shake your ingredients in 15-minute increments. Comes with non-stick pan and detachable basket equipped with a cool touch handle and button guard to prevent accidental detachment. Shake and flip contents in the middle of your cooking program with the detachable frying basket. Includes recipe book. This recipe book is filled with 50 recipes specifically made for Gowai's USA air fryers. Choose from a variety of meals to make for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert. Customer obsessed and committed to 100% satisfaction. All Gowai's USA products come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 1-year warranty, and forever support from Gowai's customer care. Registered products receive an additional 60 days of warranty coverage. Searching for a gift? This air fryer is the perfect gift under the tree for everyone. Get this multifunctional air fryer for the moms on the go, dads who love to cook, grandparents, or anyone who wants to be healthier. This air fryer allows you to cook your favorite fried foods with little to no oil and without the mess that comes with deep frying. Air fryers give you all the flavor of deep fried cooking without the oil and mess. Get crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. Perfection every time. Air fryer with 7 built-in smart programs, including bake, roast, toast, broil, dehydrate, and rotisserie. One-step even crisp technologytm allows you to achieve a crispy outside and tender inside. Whether you tumble fry in the rotating basket or roast meat rotisserie style, deliciousness is guaranteed. Get a deep fried flavor with little to no oil for healthy and tasty versions of your favorites. Air fry, bake and roast multiple meals at once. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven circulates super hot air around your food so it cooks evenly and locks in moisture, giving you the crispy, golden texture and delicious taste of deep fried without the guilt. Edel certified with little to no preheating time. You can whip up dinner in half the time of a conventional oven without heating up the whole kitchen. Plus, you can fit both cooking trays at once to make multiple meals in one go. Minimal grease means minimal mess. Sleek surface wipes clean. Plus, the brick pan, cooking trays, rotisserie basket, rotisserie spoon and forks are all dishwasher safe.
Critically acclaimed, this award-winning air fryer, Red Dot Award, 2019, features 13 one-touch cooking functions and rapid 360 degrees air circulation to provide crispy results using less oil. The air fryer uses up to 85% less oil than traditional deep frying methods while maintaining the same delicious taste, making it the perfect gift for family members and friends. Large capacity. The air fryer's spacious 5.8-quart square baskets can fit a whole 5-pound chicken. Additionally, the corner spaces provide more cooking footprint and flexibility than round designs. Cook the perfect amount of food for 3 to 5 people in one go. 13 cooking functions, 11 presets, preheat, and keep warm help you cook meat, veggies, desserts, and more to perfection. Just choose your preset with one easy tap on the display and you're ready to cook. You can also
Whether you
set
picked
your
up a
own
Kasori
temperature
air
and cook
fryer to
time
make
for
perfect
personal
steak or
recipes,
healthier
safe
fries,
materials.
here's
The
a brief
removable
visual
non-stick
guide.
baskets are
Make sure you've
dishwasher-safe,
checked all the labels
PFOA-free,
and read the
and
manual
BPA-free.
before completely diving
The
in.
air
For
fryer
example,
dimensions
before
are
you even plug in,
14.3
be
by
careful to remove all
11.8 by
plastic wrapping.
12.6
That
inches.
includes the
Handle
plastic
included,
you
while the
may not
basket
have
dimensions
noticed
are
right away.
9 by 9 by 3.75
If you're familiar with
inches.
how air fryers work,
To
you
find
might
air
know that
fryer
often all you need is
search
1
for
tablespoon of cooking oil.
C158.6
Your
AC
Kasori air
100
fryer
included
uses
recipes.
rapid
Find
360-degree
inspiration for
air
every meal with
circulation
100
technology.
original
It
Kasori
requires little to
chef-created
no
recipes,
oil to make
convenient
food
design.
similar to
The air fryer
deep-fried foods,
produces
but
crispy
air-fried
results in
foods
less
will
time
often
than a
contain
conventional oven and
75%
includes a
fewer
shake reminder
calories.
function.
When it comes to
Preheat
operating
the
your
air
air
fryer
fryer,
before
the
adding your
interface is
ingredients for improved
intuitive.
texture.
Let's start with the preheat function, which is a feature unique to the Kasori air fryer. When you can spare the extra 1 to 5 minutes, we strongly recommend preheating. It often makes a huge difference in the results. Once you've set your temperature, press start. Once preheating is done, you'll hear 3 beeps. Now just choose a preset. Each of the 11 presets are designed so that you can simply prep your ingredients as desired. Place them in, then tap the corresponding preset. One-touch operation means that once you select the preset and start, your part in the kitchen is done. Press temp time once to adjust temperature with the plus or minus signs. Press temp time a second time to adjust time similarly. You can always add extra customization. Make sure to press start. The shake reminder is another feature unique to Kasori. Halfway through the cooking time for certain preset programs, your machine beeps 5 times. As you might guess, it prompts you to take the baskets out carefully, shake or flip the food, and return it to the air fryer. Shaking helps you get a more even fry. You'll know the air fryer is done cooking when you hear it beep 3 times. Press keep warm if you're not quite ready to eat. You can adjust the time between 1 to 60 minutes. To serve, carefully separate the baskets on a flat surface. Remember that pushing the button causes the outer basket to drop. Check out your manual and other inbox materials for original Kasori recipes. Info on other features like manual air frying, and even instructions on how to get great French fries. Go on and get started. If you need any more info, remember we have a friendly Kasori support team available to help.
Whether it's an old family recipe, an ancient tradition, or a new one, we'll be here to help you in the kitchen so you can continue passing it on.